1 is remote for single color. On off. 20 50 100 brightness hotkey. Short press brightness key for quickly dim down. Brightness plus for dimming up. Long press for gradually softly dimming. With excellent wireless sync control function, multi-PCs controllers could be sync controlled at the same time. There are 2 DIY keys at the side. Setting DIY is: press DIY key 3 times within 3 seconds. Remote indicator light flash 3 times. Then choose brightness. Press DIY key to save and lighting flash. DIY setting successfully.